Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today then we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone sleep time setting, and today video title is how to increase phone sleep time in our Oppo phone device. Friends, you want to increase guys your phone sleep time setting. So then how can you increase it today friends? I will show you, I will tell you. So first of all guys, we will on guys our phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, you can see this type of setting friends. So then we will click on guys phone display and brightness setting. Tap here to increase your phone sleep time, then guys scroll it. Friends, you can see auto screen of guys, we will tap here to increase it. So after on guys, you can see this type of settings. So friends, you will have to click on guys this 30 minutes. So friends, come back, and after click on 30 minutes guys, then guys your phone will not sleep in 25 minutes and 29 minutes. After 30 minutes your phone will sleep automatic if you do not touch guys. You will have to until guys your screen on 30 second for 30 second. So like that guys, you can increase your phone sleep time setting guys. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.